hour mark and then end. So, because somebody in the fans will be like, you didn't stream 12 hours, dude. It was 11 hours and 57 minutes. You know what I mean? It's going to be like pickled to say something like that. So we need a timestamp, dude. We need a 12-hour timestamp. But I am struggling. Tomorrow we will probably be live maybe around noon. But we will not be doing 4 hours. My back is fucking hurting from sitting in this chair for 12 hours. I know, I have to wait 4 more minutes now. We will probably go live around 12 or 1 tomorrow, but we will also be we'll only be streaming for probably like 2 hours tomorrow. We're not going to do the 4 hours. Just because this 12 hours was a struggle, man. We got an extra fucking 8 hours today. We were only supposed to stream fucking 4 hours today, and it was an extra 8. It was 3 days worth of streaming. 3 long stream days worth of streaming. And my lower back is fucking hurting, dude. Definitely an unk, yes, definitely an unk. Look, I know some people take unk as an insult, man. Some people take that shit as like an insult, where it's supposed to be like almost like a remark of you being like old and out of touch or whatever. But like, I don't take it as that. We're all gonna get old, man. Everybody becomes an unk at some point, right? But again, I appreciate all of you guys for being here every single day. We'll be back tomorrow at probably around 12 to play some more Nier, but we will only be here for 2 hours tomorrow. So probably like 12 to 2. And then we'll be calling it a stream, but we will also be back on Tuesday to do some more streams. So stay tuned for Tuesday as well for more Nier. I don't know when we're going to finish this game. I feel like we're probably like halfway through. But then we're probably going to play the other endings. I want to see the other endings. But again, we have about 2 minutes left. We're going to go to outro and all that stuff. So I appreciate all of you guys again for being here, man. This is one final shout out for everybody, because an ad break isn't coming in 3 minutes. I want to end before the ad break starts. But yes, family. Not that middle part. We will be back tomorrow. Everybody have a lovely evening. I appreciate all of you guys again for being here today, man. We have a minute and like 30 seconds left. We will be back tomorrow, 12 p.m. to 2 p.m. around that time frame. But again, thank you all for being here, and y'all know what time it is, man. Stay bold, stay beautiful, and stay blessed. Cue the outro music.
Y'all gon' make me lose my mind. Up in here, up in here. Y'all gon' make me lose my cool. Up in here, up in here.
Peace out, y'all. Love y'all. I will see you guys tomorrow. Everybody have a lovely evening. I'm going to bed right now. I'm going to go use the bathroom, brush my teeth, and go to sleep. So I will see you guys tomorrow. We got 1 minute left. I'm going to let the outro run for a minute, and I will see y'all. Love y'all. Stay beautiful, stay sexy, stay healthy, stay handsome, all that stuff. I will see y'all tomorrow. Peace out.
Forget about it. How you doing?
Oh, nah. It's Titus, all right? It is not Titus.
Fuck the Yankees!
Let's do a stream where I drink so much caffeine that I have a heart attack live on stream and die. This is absurd.
Oh shit, he's climbing up the wall!
It's like the sky is melting.
Like, this game wouldn't be bad if the controls weren't like an absolute abomination.
Family, 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 I don't have enough time to process information on here, dude. I gotta talk. I gotta play games. I gotta look handsome. I got a lot on my shoulders, dude.
Forget about it. How you doing?
Oh, nah. It's Titus, all right? It is not Titus.
Fuck the Yankees.
Let's do a stream where I drink so much caffeine that I have a heart attack live on stream and die. This is absurd.
Oh shit, he's climbing up the wall!
It's like the sky is melting.
Like, this game wouldn't be bad if the controls weren't like an absolute abomination.
Family, 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 family. I don't have enough time to process information on here, dude. I gotta talk. I gotta play games. I gotta look